Today we will teach you how to update the language into Russian. First, we need to enter the controller password 963222. We can see that the language has not been updated yet, and Russian cannot be displayed. Next, we need to import the files in the order of 1.2.3 from bottom to top to update. Now we will import the first version upgrade file and restart after upgrading. Now our version has been upgraded to 1.02. Next, import the second file and restart after updating. Enter the password 963,222 again. Enter the language library. And finally import the third file. Restart after updating. After restarting, move to 309 and enter 2. Now the Russian update is successful.